Embroidery, an ancient form of needlecraft, has been a cornerstone in the art of textile decoration for centuries. Its transition into the digital age with machine embroidery has continued to enchant both creators and admirers of this meticulous craftsmanship. Within this domain, the role of embroidery thread is paramount as it is tantamount to the paint in a painter's palette. One must consider several factors when selecting this crucial material to ensure that the outcome is both visually stunning and enduring. Embroidery threads are specialized products intricately designed to meet the demands of machine embroidery. The qualities you should seek involve durability, vibrancy of color, and compatibility with your embroidery machine. Without the correct thread type, one might face the frustration of snags, breaks, and inconsistency in the final piece. When contemplating the purchase of embroidery thread, it's essential to make decisions that favor the integrity of your work. Cost-conscious crafters might encounter the temptation to acquire second-hand threads, vast lots alluringly displayed on popular auction websites. At first glance, these offerings may seem like a steal, with a multitude of colors often marketed at low prices. However, exercise caution when considering such options, as the quality of embroidery thread is not impervious to time and environmental conditions. Embroidery thread's lifespan commences its decline the moment it is unsealed. The demise of the thread can be attributed to factors such as exposure to moisture, sunlight, and even the oils present on human hands. These elements attack the dye and the strength of the fibers, ultimately leading to faded colors and weakened thread that can cause unexpected breaks. The consequences include not just frustration, but also the possibility that the finished product will fall short of expectations. Embroidery threads from another's collection, even if seemingly well-maintained, are a risk. It's unwise to entrust the success of your crafts to threads that sat forgotten in someone's damp basement or musty attic for months, or perhaps years. Nonetheless, solutions are abound for embroiderers who wish to ensure the longevity of their thread without compromising on economics. Manufacturers offer these delicate threads in various packaging options, such as the 5,000-meter cones, which are noteworthy for both their cost-effectiveness and their generous volume. By purchasing thread in larger quantities, you benefit from a reduced price per meter and have the convenience of possessing a sufficient supply of thread for several projects. Many hobbyists, however, find themselves in a quagmire when their domestic embroidery machines are tailored to the smaller 1,000-meter cones. This, fortunately, is not an insurmountable challenge. A straightforward fix exists in the form of an external thread stand, a tool specifically designed to accommodate larger spools of thread outside of your machine's limited space. By removing the cover that typically encases the smaller, machine-compatible cones, one can easily house these larger 5,000-meter cones. This versatile approach not only extends the range of threads available to users of domestic embroidery machines, but also enhances the efficiency of their embroidery practice. As an embroiderer, you can revel in the diversity of your thread choices while having peace of mind that you are undertaking measures to preserve the quality of your embroideries. To encapsulate the wisdom shared, purchasing embroidery thread is an endeavor where foresight and precaution should guide your choices. Uphold a strict stance against second-hand threads that offer no guarantee of their condition or past storage environments. Opt instead for brand-new threads, ideally in the 5,000-meter cones, to gain an advantageous balance of quality and value. Should your machine design command the use of lesser 1,000-meter cones, employing an external thread stand will deftly circumvent this specification, enabling you to enjoy the larger spools nonetheless. By adhering to these guidelines with dedication, the embroiderer not only secures their material's robustness, but also the success and longevity of their finished embroidery projects. In a craft where every stitch counts, and each spool of thread holds the potential to transform fabric into art, these practices are not just recommended, but are the foundations of an enduring embroidery practice. As you venture forward in your quest for the ideal embroidery threads, remember that the smallest of details often determine the magnitude of your project's success. Skillful attention to thread quality, storage, and procurement will serve as the bedrock of exquisite embroideries that endure the test of time, preserving the joy and splendor imbued within each carefully crafted design. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.